Hello, Mentor Sabrina again. This is lesson 2 of the Scratch Distance Between Points quiz game. What we will be doing in this lesson is having each of our points make sure that they are in spots where they are all on either the same horizontal or vertical lines, and we will have them say their coordinate, their ordered pair for their coordinate. So to do this, first click on your first point. In my case, that would be Bo's house. Then we want to make sure we're in scripts. The first thing we always want, is events. So click on events and pull out a when green flag clicked. Next, go to motion. From the motion block, we want to have go to XY. Okay, it's a 6th block down. Drag that and place it right underneath when green flag clicked. These numbers are okay. Whatever your numbers are, they're probably different than mine, and that's okay too. Just remember keep in mind what they are. We'll be switching back to this in a moment. The last thing you need to do is to get it to say its location. Click on looks. We don't want the first block because we want it to say its coordinate indefinitely throughout the entire game. So click on the say hello block. Not the say hello for 2 seconds. Say hello. Next, what I want you to do is click on operators. Now, the way we're going to do this is going to be a bit more complicated than what you need, but this way, if you move your point at all, it will still say the correct coordinate. So from operators, what we want to do is we want to go all the way down until you see join, where it says join hello world. What this block does, I'll pull it out, what this block does is it will join two things together so that you can use variables inside of your words. Otherwise, we can't just write, X position, comma, Y position. This won't work. If I hit run, it'll say X position, Y position. What we really want to do is we want to use these blocks down here at the bottom of motion, X position and Y position, to say our coordinate points. To do this, we're going to need 4 of these join blocks. So take out one, then take the next one and place it inside the square that says world. Then do the same thing for the next one and the same thing for the next one. So it should say join hello, join hello, join hello, join hello world. Change the very first hello to an open parenthesis, which you can type by holding the shift key and pressing the number 9. Change world to a closing parenthesis. Then change hello to a comma, the middle hello. The last 2 hellos you're going to change by clicking on motion and scrolling down to the bottom until you see X position, Y position. Put X position in the first hello and Y position in the second hello. Then click on the very first join and place that inside the say block. Now when we hit the green flag, Bo's house says its location. Now let's do the next one. To easily copy your code, you can click on when green flag clicked and very carefully, because you might accidentally delete it, drag it and drop it on one of the other blocks. This time I'm going to do the dairy store. You're dropping on the right spot because of the mouse. When you click on dairy store, you should see that it's there. But you don't want the points to be the same. If you look inside the dairy store's motion blocks, you see its position right now is 190 and 55. We want it to have the same X value as Bo's house because it's directly above it. We only want the Y value to be different. So change the Y value to this Y value in this block over here. Do this for each of your points and you should be good.